Welcome to Webstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to show Wi-Fi password with one command in Windows 10 or 11. To do that, open command prompt as an administrator. Type cmd in start or in search and then select command prompt, right-click it, select run as administrator. So here we will show the Wi-Fi passwords. Type netsh, hit enter. Then type WLAN show profile. Hit enter. And these are Wi-Fi profiles or routers or Wi-Fi IDs available in my network. To view a specific profile, type this WLAN show profile and then profile name. I have selected this Javed ... and then key equals clear. And here you can see under security settings, key content. This is the password for this Wi-Fi. So this command will show password for router or Wi-Fi in your network. Similarly, you can find passwords for other networks. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.